project is a collaboration between the University of Manchester and Tracerco, a subsidiary of Johnson Matthey plc. Here we have the multi-interface measurement system for the oil separator. So this is basically a measurement system which is gonna be put inside an oil separator. Inside the oil separator we have different materials that are formed in layers. For example, crude oil on top, emulsion, seawater, and sand. So these systems are gonna be able to detect the different positions of the layers. Okay, so this system consists of two sensing systems. The first system is the capacitive sensing system on the left hand side, and in the right hand side we have the inductive sensing system. Each of the system has an array of sensors. For example, here we have 16 sensors, and then here we have 7 sensors. We are going to test it. We're going to test the capacitive sensors, the two of this, and then the inductive sensor. So we're gonna start. First, we're gonna test it with the material, which is just the oil. And as you can see here, it shows oil on the bottom sensor, and then gas on the top sensor, which is exactly what we do here. Change the can. Okay, now we're gonna test it with a different material. We're gonna test it with sand, and if we put the sand on top of the sensor, it will give a reading of sand. Now we can go with the last material, which is water. And when we put water, it changes to its full range. This is where we need the inductive sensing system, because inductive sensing systems are good for detecting water and it will not give full range. So we're changing the interface to inductive sensing system right now. This is the current reading, and now we're also going to test it with the different materials. Water. As you can see there, it shows water and emulsion on the top sensor, because as you can see it's not fully covered. And if we take it off and then put oil, it can also detect oil, but it's not as sensitive as capacitive sensors. As you can see there, it's oil. And this is why we need both the capacitive sensing system and the inductive sensing system running together to be able to detect all the interface or all the phases inside the oil separators. The advantages of this system is that this is gonna be very cheap to make, because the current system that they're using in the oil industry is radioactive based system, which is very expensive because it involves radioactive, and then it's also dangerous since it's radioactive. So yeah, thank you.